working on our project right now, and I just wanted to add one row of another color, which I've done, and now I'm gonna change it back real quick. But before, I'm gonna secure it by making a knot, and just forgot the name of the knot. All you need to do is to take one strand of the yarn and twist it twice around the other piece of the yarn, and then you'll have to tie it very gently, and here you have secured your yarn very easily. And now I'll tell you how I changed it in the first place, but first I have to cut that. You can just cut it right here or take a bit longer strand and then you secure it later. So I'm working on a stitch right now. Into the back loop, turn over the yarn, turn over the yarn, into the back loop, one, and then all three. And to change the yarn, all you need to do is to leave the last step of the stitch, which is passing the yarn through the loop. I'm gonna take the other yarn and then hold it just like that and put it on the back of the working stitch, and then pass it through the previous stitch, and then tighten, make a knot, then turning chain, and then you can start working.